Hi everyone, my name is Maria Bruno and I'm an assistant professor of anthropology and archaeology at Dickinson College in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. I'm excited to be part of the online International Quinoa Research Symposium, August 17th through 19th. And here's just a little bit about what I do. I'm actually in my laboratory here at Dickinson College in the Dickinson Environmental Archaeology Lab, where we have a variety of microscopes that we can use to look at archaeological plant samples. So we excavate. I personally work on the Chaco Peninsula in Bolivia. We excavate there and we take soil, put it through a water system, and carbonize plants from ancient plants from people's kitchens, float on up, and then we, under the microscope, take a look at those samples and are able to pull out a whole host of different species that people interacted with in the past. And of course, I'm here for the Quinoa Symposium because we find a lot of quinoa from these ancient sites in Bolivia. It was a really important food there. So one of the things that I do and that I'll be talking about in my talk for the symposium is how we identify the little quinoa seeds, but in particular, how we might be able to separate those from domesticated seeds versus wild ones and track the domestication of those species. So we can do that kind of work with just a nice light microscope, a stereo microscope here. But I also use a scanning electron microscope, which is housed in our Earth Sciences department, to take high resolution pictures of quinoa and also its wild versions. And we can zoom in on the seed coat. Hopefully you can kind of see that there, which is a really important indicator if the seed is domesticated or not. So we take those images and then on my software here, we can measure it. And if the seed coat is thin, we determine that it's a domesticated seed. If it's thick, then we determine that it was probably a wild one. Anyway, I'll be talking more about that in my presentation. We hope you can join us for that. You need to register by August 10th, so please do that. And I'm looking forward to hearing from my colleagues in other fields, the agronomists and anthropologists and farmers that, and geneticists that are all working on this wonderful crop that thankfully the world knows about now. Hope to see you there.